In this review, we're going to go over all of the features and functions of this food scale. Let's get started. So I'm a registered nurse, and I actually use this scale a couple times a week to measure food for my type 1 diabetics. It's really important that the food measurements are accurate so that their insulin is accurate. Let me show you all that it does. So for starters, on the back side, it has 4 non-slip grips, which this is the battery compartment. It takes 2 AAA batteries. They do come with it. It has a really nice sleek design. It is not too thick, as you can see, so it's really good for space saving. It sits right here by my stapler so that it's not in the way. I also love that it has a Tare function so that I can use it with like a scale. So let me show you how you use it. Okay, so I put this is just an empty container, but I put my container on there. You turn it on. It does have a really bright LED, so if you're working in low light or anything like that, there's no issue. So I put the cup on there before I turn it on. That way it doesn't weigh, like it doesn't count the weight of the cup, so that whenever I put food in it, I know that it's accurate. So you just hit 0 to make sure it's zeroed out. So for this one, I need to know how many ounces of peaches she's having. So let's do that. 4.69 ounces of peaches is what it's supposed to be. It's 4.76. That's probably just because of this outside container that weighs a little bit more. So if I would dump it out, I'm sure it would be right on. So again, you can see that this is how you measure it. You can flip to mLs or liquid milliliters, grams, kilograms, or pounds. It does measure up to 11 pounds. Again, I really like this because it's nice and portable. So if you're looking for a small food scale that is very accurate to weigh anything you need to weigh, this might be for you.